How to change time zone on Tradingview. So if you want to change time zone on Tradingview, then first you just need simply open up your browser and then search for Tradingview, or you can also just go with the application. Now you just need simply go and log into your Tradingview. And once you've logged in, on the top right you will have the settings option, gear shaped icon. You can just simply go with gear shaped icon, or you can just simply go with the three dots, and here you may have the settings option. But if you don't find the settings on the top, then you can just right click on your screen and you may get the settings option. So once you have your settings, you need to just open up your settings, and once you open up your settings, make sure that you're under symbol tab, which will be on the first option. Make sure you're under the symbol tab, and once you're under the symbol tab, you need to go with data modification. Under data modification, you will have an option of time zone. So you can just simply select another time zone. So that's how you can change your time zone on your Tradingview. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.